What is up guys, Sean here again. Today I'll be bringing you guys another unboxing, and this time it's going to be the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4s. These are the latest in-ear wireless headphones from Sennheiser. I've heard they sound the best out of all the competition. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see if that's true or not. Alright guys, so here's the box of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4s. You can see the headphones on the front, and then the case here. It says Sennheiser signature sound, future-proof, sound personalization, and these have 30 hours of battery life. That's amazing. On this side, it just says the color, so I got them in the black graphite, because I thought they looked the best in black. And on the back, it says made for iPhone, iPad, also works with Android, of course. And these are IP54, so they're splash resistant. That's pretty good. On this side, nothing special. On the top, it shows you that these have a 2-year warranty. So let's go ahead and open this box up. So let's open the seal right here. I actually got a really good deal on eBay, and I got these for like 40% off. Let's go ahead. So we're presented with a quick start guide. Right here it says welcome, shows you how to activate your headphones, connect to the app, how to wear them, touch controls on the headphones, how to accept phone calls. It's pretty good. Here we are nicely presented with the headphones in this nice little case right here. Oh, wow, this case looks so good. Wow, I love this material. It's kind of like, I don't know, braided, knitted on top of the case. Wow, this is really good. This should be very durable. Let's put these to the side for just a moment. See what else we get in the box. And over here we have the charging cable. So it's a USB to USB-C charging cable. That's good. All headphones are coming with USB-C nowadays. And here we get extra ear tips. So if you have bigger ears or smaller ears, you can change the tips according to that. And then we have the user guide right here and some safety information. And I think that's gonna be it. That's all you get in the box. Put this box to the side, and now let's take a look at the headphones. So opens up nicely just like that. And wow, look at the headphones. I'm loving this color, man. These look so nice and so well made. Is it like stainless steel? Yeah, feels like stainless steel. Wow. Or aluminum, I don't know. I love this material. These headphones look amazing. Can't wait to test them out. This is for the right ear, this is for the left. But yeah, these look amazing. Let's look at the case itself. Really nice case. I also like the size of the case. It's just a little bit bigger than the AirPods Pro's case. But I love this case. Wow, look at how it says Sennheiser inside. I love these small details. And there's a USB charging port here, USB-C charging port. On this side, nothing. And then on the bottom, it shows the model number of the headphones and all that. And on top here, a nice Sennheiser logo. But wow, I'm loving the size of the case. I'm guessing this should be very easy to carry around in the gym. And I've been using my AirPod Pro 2s for the past year now. Those are the only in-ear headphones that I had. And I actually got bored of using the same headphones every day. So I needed to get something different. And I'm glad I went with these. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a sound test. And then I'm gonna let you guys know how these sound. Alright guys, so this is how these earbuds look while you're wearing them. And let's go ahead and do a sound test. Okay, wow. First thing, the sound quality. Wow, it's amazing. It's out of this world. Treble, the bass, but it's perfect. Can't really tell compared to my AirPods Pros. The sound quality is like much better, and even the bass is much better as well. I can hear all the background music, the background noise, the overall sound stage. Wow, man, the overall sound of these headphones, yeah, amazing. And yeah, that's going to be it for this short unboxing of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4 headphones. If you like this unboxing, just give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.